y'all, it's your girl Tiara here, and today I'm back with another video. So y'all, today we are going to be cooking it up, chefing it up in the kitchen, and today we are going to be making some steak quesadillas with the viral Chipotle vinaigrette. We're going to make all that. So before we get started, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to hit this like button. Before we get started, today I am collaborating with Sierra. Y'all make sure y'all go check her out. The link will be in the description. And let's get into this video and let's chef it up. Alright, so I cut up some sirloin. I sliced them up pretty thin, but not too thin. So now we're going to season it. Got my green seasoning, minced garlic, complete seasoning, some black pepper, and some Worcestershire sauce. So we're going to mix that all together. Alright, so now I'm going to get some oil into the pan, just a little bit. Let that get hot. So now I'm just flipping over the steak. So Keith Lee and Alexis Frost, they went viral on social media for the steak quesadilla with cheese and fajita. So that's exactly the same way I'm going to make it. And also the vinaigrette like I told y'all. And the sour cream. So while the steak is cooking, we're going to get started on the vinaigrette. So the steak is cooking and now let's get started on the vinaigrette. Alright, so we got our blender. You're gonna need the red wine vinegar, chipotle and adobo sauce, some honey, and some oregano. Where did I put my oregano? Hold on, y'all. Okay, so I got my oregano here. Okay, y'all, I'm also recording for TikTok. Alright, so sorry y'all, forgot to hit record, but I put the adobo sauce in there and the red wine. I put like half a cup. I put some honey. I'm gonna put a little bit more. Then we're gonna put some oregano. And then we're gonna put salt and pepper. Then we're going to add a little bit of water. Then we're going to put the lid on. Then just let it blend. Alright, so now the vinaigrette is done. We are going to pour it into this container right here. One thing I'll say about the vinaigrette, you will have to adjust it to your liking because you might not like too spicy. So like I only use 2 peppers and then I put a lot more honey. But like if you want it more spicy, of course you're just gonna add more peppers. So this is it. And then now the steak is done. I'm gonna show y'all. We're gonna cook these fajitas, get this thing prepped up, and let's get the ball rolling, y'all, cause we is hungry, okay? I know we is ain't proper English, but we are hungry, okay? So that's why we making some food. Alright, this pan is full of flavor, so we just gonna add the fajita veggies and you're gonna cook it to your liking. I like mine a little soft but still with a nice little crunch, so we just gonna let that cook. Alright y'all, look at that, look at that. Alright, now we're gonna assemble it. I'm about to do a taste test real quick. Excuse my daughter in the background.
Go.
I dipped it in the sauce.
Go.
Oh yeah. This so good. So I mixed it like Keith Lee did. Mixed the vinaigrette with the sour cream and I dipped it in there. Y'all, it's too good. If you don't want to make this at home, at least go to Chipotle and go try it. The Quesadilla. But this is the end of the video, guys. I want to thank you guys again for watching this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, to like this video, comment down below if you will make this or have you tried it from Chipotle. And I want to thank you guys again for watching this video. And if you haven't yet, subscribe to your grill, okay? But I'm going to enjoy this meal and I will see you guys next time. Peace out.